Some news coming in from the United States, where a California brush fire that broke out last evening has now scorched thousands of acres of land near the Los Angeles National Forest. The video on your screens now shows smoke rising into the sky as the flames continue to crawl up the mountainside. The smoke plume from the flames could be seen miles away from the site of the fire. Firefighters are currently battling this blaze, which quickly spread to almost 10,000 acres near Lake Hugh. More than 300 firefighters backed by helicopters and fixed-wing aircraft have been deployed to fight this blaze. The rough terrain and high temperatures have made it difficult to contain the blaze. The fast-moving brush fire also prompted mandatory evacuation orders for some 500 homes. Wildfires have become more frequent and bigger in California in recent years, partly driven by climate change. The deadliest fire in the state's history, the Camp Fire, which took place in Northern California in November 2018 and killed